Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a VS Code Python extension for formatting and highlighting your code. So this extension is very much popular. So go to the extensions tab and just write here MagicPython. So the very first extension which comes right here, you see that it's used by almost 5 million developers. Simply click the install button and click the to install this extension. As soon as the extension is installed, you will see it will highlight all the basic syntax. You will see this is my Python file and it is actually highlighting all the basic stuff. If I see here, so you can see the function name is highlighted with a different color. So this is highlighted with a different color and this is also highlighted with a different color, different color. So this makes it your code way more easier to read, and formatting also. Let's suppose if I make some kind of formatting mistake, if I save this Control S, automatically the code will be formatted. If you right click, you will see this option appearing format document. It will format your document. So a must extension, you should definitely install it. It will add the highlighting as well as the formatting to your Python files. Also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.